So today we are tacking the tank. Oh, move my big thumb. And I'm using this aircraft stripper for aluminum by Klean Strip. And this stuff is pretty easy. 18 wheels burning diesel. You just spray it on, just like spray paint, you see. Sometimes you gotta clean the nozzle a little bit. Pull it out, twist it around. See, there we go. You just spray it on. Try to keep it off the parts that you don't want paint to remove. But I got some blue here, had some turquoise. This stuff right here, I want you guys to notice, is no strip. Or, I apologize, I misspoke. No slip. It's that real tacky, gritty stuff that's got adhesive on it. And some guys put it on their tank when they're stepping on their tank so they don't slip. That stuff was a mother bastard to get off. And this stuff looks like it's taking the glue that had off. And I'm just touching up all these little areas that had paint, like on the edge of the strip here. I got my fancy dancy apron on, and had to modify it for ox size. Let's go over here. This is the back of the tank, and you can see where I've scraped and scraped. And this piece, I don't know what it was, but it's aluminum, so it deserves to have a polish with the rest. I'm just getting coats on here. I was able to find this stuff at Fred Meyer's. Almost 20 bucks a can. It's 16 ounces. What is it? Non-methylene chloride formula. Well, I know usually the best ones use methyl ethyl ketone. Nasty stuff. So that's why I'm upwind, and I have my safety skin on. I have my safety hat, my safety thinking, and coating this tank with stripper. You can see it bubbling right here. See how that bubbles up. Alright, it in. Even the primer that was over there, that stuff is starting to come up. Oh, am I getting low on the can? I sure am. What else do I want to do? Maybe up behind there before I lose it. Let's turn this around. Let's pull this out. And then just turn it around real lightly. Just put that in real lightly, and usually it'll spray again. Yeah, see? I don't know why that nozzle gets sinking down in there when it gets too far in there. It just don't want to work. That's bubbling good. Look at that. See that? That stuff is bubbling great. try it one more time, guys, with the can. Pulling the can off, turn it around very, very lightly in there. And we're out of product. All right. Now we wait. Well, we are checking to see if our stuff is ready. All right. It's time to scrape. I don't think it's had enough time to brew. Nope. Not enough time. Can't rush it. Okay, I'm tired of waiting. Many layers. Well, there you are. There's the video of the tank that I did, and we're gonna have to give it some time and let it brew a little bit more, scrape it, and maybe later tonight, probably when it's dark, you guys aren't gonna be able to see, we'll do some sanding, or pressure wash it and then do some sanding. So there you are, guys. Thanks for watching. I sure appreciate you guys. If you like this kind of thing, give it a thumbs up, help me out, and we'll talk to you next time.